Hello, my name is Steven Simoes. I'm a customer experience specialist here at Prosymmetry, and in this Tempus University video, we're going to be going over how to create and configure milestones. So milestones can be used on projects to mark specific dates where maybe something needs to be done by, or whatever it may be, important dates to the project. With that, though, there may be some information that we also want to capture. So first, what we're going to go over is how to set up custom milestone attributes, as well as then how to configure those milestones. So first, we're going to come in here. This is going to be in admin settings, attribute management, and we can come over here to milestones. So what this lets us do is create custom milestone attributes. So for this example, I'll just put in a couple. We'll go ahead and bring in a selection option to call it A, B, C. Go ahead and create that. Okay, and so these are now our milestone attributes. We can add them actually to the attribute layout here. So we have our required fields, we have our optional fields. We'll go ahead and just bring these in to here and go ahead and hit save. And if we actually wanted to preview it, we can with this. So there's our preview. So we have our milestone attributes configured. So now let's actually go into a project and use them. So let's come into this Code Horizon project, and we can go right to the milestones section. So we can see here we don't have any milestones. First thing we're going to want to do is hit the Add Milestone. You'll be asked to give it a name. I'll leave it as Milestone 1. You can give it a description, and then select a date. So we'll do first of this month. We'll call this Q2 start. You can also select a shape, circle, diamond, square. That's just going to be how it displays, as well as the color. So we'll go for a nice dark green here. And here is where we can actually see our optional fields. So we have our first one, which is a number. So we'll just go 1, 2, 3, and then we'll go for this B. And we'll go ahead and hit the Add button here. So now we can see the milestone has been created, Q2 start, and we can see a couple of the default attributes. For any of the other attributes that we created, for example, test 1, test 2, we can bring those in using the columns, just like we can in other grids like project management or resource management. So we can also see those values as well. Additionally, we're able to view these as tiles. So we can actually move these. We can additionally create right from here. So we can see milestone 2, type description, and we can add small milestones here. Again, many of the same selection options. We can add a description. We can add a new milestone, name. And again, we can move these forward. We can move them backwards, depending on kind of what we're looking for. So this one here is set for May 1st. If we actually bring this down to the day mode, and we come on over here, we can actually move these to the individual day we're looking for. Not quite as efficient as this, where we can just kind of come in here and do this, but another way to kind of visualize your milestones for sure. One of the keys I do want to mention is after creating a milestone, it kind of looks like these may be saved. You do actually have to come up here and hit the Save button in order for them to be truly saved and created. So go ahead and hit Save, and those will be your milestones. Now, when we're looking at the project itself, we can actually come over to the allocations area. And what we can see here is that in May, we can see that milestone we created. That's the milestone 2. And then this is the first milestone, Q2 start. And so we have this link. We can click on that. It's going to open up a new page. And it's going to take us directly to the milestone area of this project. So this is essentially how you can create milestone attributes. You can assign those attributes to the layout. Additionally, you can access the layout from here as well as how to set those attributes and set the values that you would like for the attributes, and then where those are then visible within the allocations grid.